This day and age, there are more and more factories are located in Malaysia. Malaysia is badly involved with its factories. This is due to factories bring disadvantage to Malaysia. One of the worst disadvantage of the factories is there are a lot of chemicals are discharged from the factories. In this case, chemical waste problem has become a serious issue in Malaysia. There are a real example happened in Malaysia in March. The latest incident of pollution that sickened students in Johor town of Pasir Bulan. This is due to the chemical waste problem from Yingin River. The students complained to have trouble breathing in school. Because of this problem, the school and kindergartens located in Johor were forced to close. Fortunately, the chemical waste problem was resolved at the end.
Below are the factors of chemical waste. The first factors that cause chemical waste is factories and power plants are typically located near bodies of the water due to need a large amount of water as an input to the manufacturing process, or the equipment cooling, metal, materials, and sewage released into body of water directly affected the marine ecosystem. Another factors of the chemical waste that cause the fossil fuel burning from industry waste that cause air pollution. In addition, nitrogen dioxide is a common air pollutant found in the air. Ammonia also causes a lot of respiratory problems that can be contracted from the air. The type of air pollution is causes of the burning of solid fuel mostly from cooking and heating. Soil pollution as part of land degradation is caused by the presence of chemical or the other alteration in the natural soil environment. It is typically caused by industry activity, agriculture, chemical, or improper disposal of waste.
What effect chemical waste management in Malaysia? Nowadays, chemical waste in Malaysia are very serious. How can chemical waste affect us? Below are the effects chemical waste in Malaysia. Chemical waste are released in the air, water, on the land and can spread contaminating even more of the environment. For example, when rain falls on salt and waste people into the ground and the underlying groundwater. Chemical waste from laboratories may result in skin burns and disfigurement. A chemical substance can cause injury on this to a person, pet, or animal.
Chemical waste is considered as a part of municipal solid waste. The chemical waste generated in the chemical process contribute a lot to municipal solid waste. Therefore, the right way to deal with chemical waste is important to reduce negative environmental, social, and economic impacts in Malaysia. Sustainable waste management is introduced to maintain an environmental, social, and economic balance through behavioral implementation and waste management technique. Therefore, the current chemical object waste management system used in industry must be identified in order to make adjustment and improvement in achieve waste management of chemical object in sustainable chemical object. Malaysia's chemical waste solutions are strengthening and improve our Malaysia law to guard against the chemical waste. In the late 1990s, the government shifted its focus from an end-of-life solution to a zero discharge project. In order to promote zero discharge, Malaysian government implemented a 16% rebate on waste management resource recovery expenditure in fiscal year 2001.
In conclusion, Malaysia's chemical waste management is destroying the natural environment. Undoubtedly, Untreated chemical waste often contains ingredients that may cause infectious disease. The level of this potential is largely unevaluated, but the update treatment process can eliminate this rise complete our consistently. The Malaysian government should take the necessary measure to improve the state of waste management in each state through the active cooperation of residents, non-government and the people. The private sector, because things may get worse in the future, by emphasizing the damage caused by activities. There is an urgent need to educate the public about environment impact of chemical waste. In my opinion, the Malaysian government must take this case seriously. The government should enforce an effective laws and penalties for violating business license and imprisonment for companies that throw chemical waste into the river. In addition, as teachers or parents, they should provide education for a new generation of people.